what is there in this book, what has been done. All these are the questions, and I am here to inform you this book has been designed and published to meet the need of the children who are going to sit for the admission test in different schools of Ramakrishna Mission as well as other renowned schools. There are several lessons, several syllabus, everything included in this book. There you will find more than 50 lessons, more than 50 classes, and more than 10 mock tests. Everything is included here in this book. The book is very helpful for the students who are going to sit for admission test in class 5 this year. GK English Grammar Book 4 Complete Syllabus of Admission Test in Class 5 in Schools of Ramakrishna Mission, Bengali Medium and English Medium both. What is there? It is narrated here one by one. Learn it. And how the lessons are discussed, it is also narrated here. This is the contents, session 1, 2, 3 in this way, 10 sessions I have told you, and in every session you will find such lessons. All the lessons are narrated, all the lessons are explained with examples. At the same time there are also mock tests, and this syllabus you will find in the syllabus given by the schools for admission test. All the lessons included here and discussed with examples. Follow what is there. Spelling of words already answered, you can see here. All about nouns. Kinds of nouns. Subject, predicate. Watch this video and learn all the syllabus. Develop your vocabulary. All this regarding vocabulary skill, how to develop, the children will develop whenever they will be going through this book. How to develop writing skill. There are several words. The children can follow these words whenever they will be writing any composition. They can frame sentences of their own and write. And all these lessons are explained with different examples, shortcut methods, as well as explanation. Everything is given so that all children can understand what is discussed. The book is very important for the children. There is a grammar family to remember all these 8 parts of speech. After this, answering simple question, how to develop writing skill. First of all, the children will learn how to answer in a complete sentence. Noun, number, how to change the number, always singular number, always plural number. The special nouns are given here. After this, how to develop reading skill, comprehension test. Adjectives, More examples. Degrees of comparison. At the same time, figure of speech. Simile is discussed here. All the questions I have discussed with the children in the class, that they can join online and offline both classes, and this book is available both online and offline. These are the prepositions. These are used to show the position of this ball in this picture. After this, develop your writing skill with the help of a picture. Whenever visual description is done, then the children will develop their writing skill. Subject verb agreement, that is grammatical questions. All these are given here. Now it is mock test 1. These questions the children will attend, give the correct answer, and they will be again helped when the copies are checked. They can evaluate themselves. Writing paragraph. There is guided writing. All the lessons are discussed in online classes and offline classes in Kolkata tutorial. Direct and indirect speech. Your work, that is exercise. How to learn active and passive voice. In this picture it is written here. After this, your work, they will write A and P, A for active voice, P for passive voice. Change the voice, transformation. Then mock test 2. Such questions are set in different schools of Ramakrishna Mission and other renowned schools whenever the children will go to give the admission test. After this, there is a paragraph again. We have completed this one, and the next one will be discussed in the next class. Remember to share and subscribe Kolkata tutorial, as well as watch this video so that you can learn different lessons in this tutorial, Kolkata tutorial. Thank you all.